My name is Tomohisa Azegami. I'm working as a camera engineer in Japan. We, Kowa, decided to start camera business also, not only lenses. We have CoaXpress camera and GigEVision camera in our lineup. This is CoaXpress camera, 29mm. This is standard shape, and this is a small type of CoaXpress camera. Height is 90mm. In CoaXpress, we need a grabber board, so some customers cannot use this type of camera. So we add GigEVision camera in our lineup. This is 29mm GigEVision camera. This is standard shape, and this is 45mm waterproof type GigEVision camera. And this one is also a unique camera. This is a waterproof camera. We have waterproof lens in our lens lineup, so you don't need waterproof camera in the lens case. Our camera can supply 24 volts power. And this power can be used for lighting. User needs LED lighting controller. Cabling is not so simple. In our case, user prepare only one cable. User can control lighting via camera. Our camera has such a connector. That's a unique point.